Creating YouTube thumbnails that actually get clicks is one of the most important skills for growing channel. You can have a great video, great content, and even great SEO. But if your thumbnail does not attract attention, people will simply scroll past it. A thumbnail is the first impression of your video, and in many cases, it decides whether someone clicks or not. In this video, I will show you how to design click-worthy YouTube thumbnails in a simple and practical way so you can improve your CTR and get more views. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow your online presence with smart tools and strategies. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to access helpful design tools and resources. By using the description link, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Let's start with most important idea, and that is clarity. A click-worthy thumbnail is not about adding more things. It is about making one clear idea instantly understandable. When someone sees your thumbnail, they should understand the topic in less than 2 seconds. If they have to think, they will scroll away. It means your thumbnail should focus on one main subject only. One message, one emotion, one idea. Next, let's talk about text. If you use text in your thumbnail, keep it very short. Usually 2 to 4 words is enough. The purpose of text is not to explain everything. It is only to create curiosity or highlight the main hook. So use bold, easy to read fonts, avoid thin or decorative fonts because they become unreadable on mobile screens where most viewers watch YouTube. Now let's talk about the visuals. Strong thumbnails usually rely on one strong visual element. This could be a face expression, a tool interface, a product image, or a bold object that represent your topic. Even if you are not using human faces, you can still create strong thumbnails using dashboards, app screens, icons, arrows, and contrast-based visuals. The key is contrast. Good thumbnails use strong contrast between background and foreground. If everything blends together, nothing stands out. Bright against dark or dark against bright. That usually works better. Now let's talk about the composition. Your main subject should always be easy to identify at first glance. Leave empty space intentionally so the viewer's eye can focus on what matters. A common mistake beginners make is overcrowding the thumbnail with text, icons, logos, and multiple visuals. This reduces clarity and makes the thumbnail less effective. Next is emotional impact. Even in non-human thumbnails, emotion still matters. You can create curiosity, surprise, urgency, or transformation through design. For example, before and after visuals, comparison layouts, or dramatic changes that often perform well because they create curiosity. Now let's talk about the color. You don't need complex color theory. Just make sure your thumbnail uses a consistent and bold color style. Avoid using too many random colors because it creates visual confusion. Instead, choose one or two dominant colors and stick with them. This also helps build a recognizable brand style over time. Another important factor is branding consistency. When people see your thumbnails repeatedly, they should organize your channel even before reading the title. This can be achieved through consistent fonts, layout style, spacing, and visual structure. Now let's talk about mobile optimization. Most YouTube viewers watch on mobile devices, so your thumbnail must remain clear even at very small sizes. Always zoom out before finalizing your design. If you cannot clearly see the main subject, it needs improvement. Finally, let's connect everything. A click-worthy thumbnail is not about random design tricks. It is about combining clarity, strong visual focus, simple text, contrast, and emotional curiosity into one clear design. When all these elements work together, your thumbnail becomes more clickable and more effective at attracting viewers. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully now you understand how to design click-worthy thumbnail that actually get attention. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for useful design tools and resources. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.